bit. Just look.
Bayas ka joke.
Save. We all thought he was going to score from there. The goal is denied him. Not going to stretch this defence like that. Stopping their progress. But there's a lot of work to be done in this game before they get a win. It's a goal that's put them in the driving seat in this match. Solid defending. We wanted that a bit more than the attacker. Very alert. Sharp and lively right from the off-time, and that's his second goal, and I wouldn't be surprised to see him get three. It was confidently taken, tucked away into the bottom corner. I'm enjoying this. Good match. 2-0. Got the ball out there. Now Zico. him on the arm. Free kick given. Corner kick's been awarded. That's half time. We'll be back for the second half. It's 2-0 here.
Well, I'm sure the message in that dressing room at half-time is more of the same, please. That's been a pretty solid performance. They've had the lion's share of the possession. Now they've got to turn that into goals.
He's not made the most of that.
You only have to look at the reaction on his face to see he knows that was a poor shot.
And they're starting to look very dispirited and rather desperate team with that kind of shooting. Lionel Messi can't get enough of the ball. Messi. Spending time to challenge well.
Chances like a striker, hasn't he? Better than some strikers I can think of.
Fairly easy for the defender.
Now, was that offside?
Yes, it was.
And that's their first substitution of the game.
Fluidity about that play. Everyone's comfortable on the ball. They're all on the same wavelength. Sorts things out back there. manager. Needs a good cross. Messi. Always available for a pass. It's well played by the defenders. They caught him offside. And that's their second change of personnel. Possibilities here. Tipped away. Good goalkeeping. It will be the signal to bring men forward from the back. It's a corner. The keeper clearing his lines then. Never dwells on the ball, does he? Position. Directs the ball with his head. Here's Carlos Alberto. Del Piero now. Defenders in charge just at the moment. Messi. Alberto. Now, what can he do with the ball? Messi. Half's not over yet. 3 minutes of added time has been signalled. Trying to make the best use of the extra man here. Quickly involved. And that's into the hands of the goalkeeper. Decent kicker of the ball, this keeper. Keep the ball moving. He's failed to hit the target.
Well, he's missed drive, and I would give him an excuse. There's a lot of bodies around him there.
Good win.
No more than they would have expected. And sometimes those expectations can weigh a team down. They got the job done.
That's a really good performance, a great win.
Well done, Andy. Good working.
With you, let's make a date again.